Hi, it's Michelle from the Bead Gallery, and I have a pro tip for you today using these end crimps. So end crimps are a great way to end cords like leather or woven cords or anything that's just on the thicker side that you can't use a regular crimp with. So an end crimp looks like this. The little tube with a loop on there. And then I have one attached to this end of my pair of cords here, like this. So I'm going to get the end crimp on the other side. And this is how you use an end crimp, okay? Sometimes if your leather is on the thick side or your cord is on the thick side, you may need to squish it just a little bit with your chain nose or a flat nose plier to compress the cord so it can slide into the end crimp easily, like so. You want the cord to be flush to the edge of the crimp. Can you see that? This. And then you want to kind of make sure, like if there's a flatness to your cord, you want to make sure that your end crimp loops line up nicely. Okay, and to use this, all I'm going to do is get a chain nose plier, and I'm going to squish just the middle band. You see there's like a tube, and then there's like two rings on the end and this middle band here. This is the only part of the end crimp I'm going to squish with my chain nose plier. And when you're squishing it, you want to make sure that this loop here is in the same plane as the jaw of the plier. So if I slid my plier down, I'm not hitting the loop. It's in the same plane, okay? So I'm going to squish like this. Then I'm going to flip over and I'm going to squish the other edge of the crimp so they're evenly squished. Okay? And then you can do this a couple of times just to make sure that the end crimp is properly biting down on your thread, and you can pull while you're squishing just to make sure that it's on there really good. And there you go. You have end crimps on the end of your cord. And it doesn't come off. So awesome. Aloha. Bye.